Looking for free hosting and domain for your WordPress site in 2024? Well, you're in luck. Today we'll unravel the process of getting free hosting and domain for your WordPress site step by step. Step 1. Choosing the right free hosting service. Some popular free hosting services include Infinity Free, WordPress, and 000 Webhost. Each of these offer a range of features to suit different needs. For instance, Infinity Free offers unlimited disk space and bandwidth, while WordPress provides a user-friendly control panel and excellent customer support. Step 2 involves setting up the free hosting account. This process typically involves signing up with a valid email address, choosing a password, and selecting the free hosting plan. Remember, it's important to read the terms and conditions before signing up to ensure you're aware of any limitations or requirements. Step 3. You'll need to install WordPress on your hosting account. Most free hosting services offer a one-click WordPress installation feature. This means you can have your WordPress site up and running in no time. Moving on to Step 4. Securing a free domain. Some free hosting services offer a free subdomain as part of their package. Alternatively, there are separate services like .tk and Freenom that offer free domain names with a range of extensions. Step 5 involves connecting your domain to your hosting account. This usually requires changing the DNS settings of your domain to point to your hosting account. This process may vary slightly depending on the hosting service and domain provider you have chosen. The final step, Step 6, is to set up your WordPress site. This includes choosing a theme, setting up your pages, and customizing your site to fit your vision. In conclusion, getting free hosting and domain for your WordPress site involves 6 main steps. First, choosing the right free hosting service. Second, setting up your hosting account. Third, installing WordPress on your hosting account. Fourth, securing a free domain. Fifth, connecting your domain to your hosting account. And finally, setting up your WordPress site. Remember, while free hosting and domain options can be a great starting point, they may have limitations when it comes to speed, storage, and support. As your site grows, you may need to consider upgrading to a paid plan. But for now, these steps should have you well on your way to launching your WordPress site in 2024. Until next time, happy hosting!